Hey, what's up? It's Mike from ThatWoodenFlag. So I just wanted to do a quick tutorial. I'm cutting a flag on plywood. I don't normally do that, but I had some okay plywood laying around, so I'm going to cut a flag. But I just wanted to show you guys when your wood's not perfectly flat, what will happen when you're cutting the stars out. So if you look real close at these stars, you notice that these first three cut pretty good. Right, this whole like row, and then as it gets towards the end, the star down here, this whole row, the stars are noticeably smaller. So I just wanted to show you how to fix that without throwing the wood away, right? So what you want to do is you want to go back into your file for the stars, and you want to delete the ones that look good. So for this case, I deleted like this row here. I'm just going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These zigzag 5, right? So it's really 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's like 4 rows, right? So what you want to do is you want to move your bit over. Do So as my bit's moving over, it's no longer touching that wood. So I'm going to do the paper trick. Hopefully you can see this. Gotta get a tripod here. So I'm going to count my clicks, right? So I'm going to lower my Z down now. So I'm going to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Still got room. 8, 9, 10. Just starting to touch. 11, 12. 13, 14. Okay, so 14. Okay, 14. That's off a lot. So I'm just going to raise it up. And I'm going to return to 0. So now I'm zeroed back in a corner, and I got to do 14 clicks down. Just a lot, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now I'm going to reset 0. Okay, so I reset 0, and it's touching the wood over here. And I could sand it down, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to raise the Z up just a little bit so it's not touching. I'm going to fire the back. I'll show you guys what it looks like when it's all done. go. And that's how it's done. So don't be afraid if your wood starts to cup or bow, or just starts moving. Be patient with it. When you zero your piece, I mean, obviously if you're cutting right here, you don't want to zero down here, but in this case it was kind of it's plywood, so it was definitely noticeably thinner towards the end. So actually, to cut these stars 3 times, but you can see the final result of the stars, that they're all uniform and I don't have to throw the wood away. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, comments, leave them in the comment box, and do my best to get back to you. And as always, if you got an idea on a video, let me know. Thanks.